This is an overhead door garage door opener, model 2026. This thing is like 10 years old and it still runs well. Right here is the wall control. See, it says overhead door. There's the lock. When you lock it, sometimes that light goes on. Yeah, usually when you lock it, these buttons go out. That means you can't open the garage from outside. Sometimes, mostly if you try turning on and off the light with this thing locked, it won't work. But when it's unlocked, the light on that thing will turn on. And let's open it up. That's a nice open. It's pretty quiet as well and smooth. There's the emergency release. It's the front view. Yeah, this thing's like 10 years old. It still runs well. We used to have an older overhead door. I believe it was a Python model, but it got really old and buzzy. It started malfunctioning, so we had to replace it. Anyways, let's close it up. Very nice opener. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video. Click down below to subscribe. Take care, we'll see you next time.